Pan-roasted duck breast with roasted beets, grilled spring onions, toasted garlic, and cashew nut creme.
I have never cooked duck. I have never seen it prepared.
This duck is not just the normal duck that I'd probably get and cook at home. It's Chef Reuben's duck dish.
Pilar,
Yes, chef.
10 minutes to go. What do you still need to do
What
now?
I still need to do is just deep fry my chili, and then I'm just finishing off my duck, and then I'm plating.
Okay.
And I see you griddling the duck breast.
Yes, chef.
Okay.
I decided to refer back to the recipe. Actually, I'm supposed to pan fry the duck and not griddle it.
I'm reducing my sauce, I'm finishing off my duck, and then I need to plate. So I'm a little bit worried, but we'll see what happens.
Add some more of that, Pilar. Okay. Strain some of that through there as well.
Okay.
And then put it back on it and reduce it to
Reduce it a
the
bit more.
consistency that you saw.
Yes, chef.
I had my sauce, okay?
Yes, chef.
I say a small prayer. I had to find the last bit of strength to do the best that I can with the little time that I have.
Guys, you have less than 5 minutes to go. Time is running out. I'm not seeing any plates on your workstations yet. Remember, you need to give yourself enough time to put the food on the plate. Otherwise, it's just going to look like you're throwing it on there. Give yourself enough time for that. You need to be finishing up now.
I need to kind of see how many beetroots are on the plate, how many chilies are on the plate, and how many little puree bubbles are on the plate. I didn't want to miss any elements.
I haven't piped the puree. I have nothing on the plate. I still have to finish off the sauce, like add butter to it. The duck is not cooking fast enough.
Pilar is stressed. I couldn't even look.
Five minutes to the end of the challenge, I'll take my duck off. I start slicing it. It's too pink. I got on my duck a little bit late. Thought I had more time and I didn't.
We needed to give ourselves 10 minutes to plate, and I've got 5. I cut my duck, and it looks perfect. There's no turning back, really, because I have to plate.
Contestants, you have 2 minutes remaining. You really should be finishing off these plates now, checking that you have every element.
I see my duck is a bit pink. It's not medium rare, it's a little bit rare, but it's okay.
60 seconds, guys. Your time is now running out. You need to be finishing it up. Finish up your plate, guys. Final touches.
Pilar, just put it on the plate.
Pilar, you need to finish up there.
Yes, chef.
Come on, man. Keep on going. You need to finish it up. We need all the elements on the plate.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop cooking, guys. Stop cooking. Well done. Yeah. Dumiso, how did that go for you?
The most challenging, I think, was the sauce for me, because color isn't right.
We saw in the beginning when you added the oil to the pot, it was just way too much oil.
Yeah,
The two-tone you've got here,
Yeah.
that's the fact.
that's the fact.
It doesn't go anywhere unless you skim it off.
Yeah.
You know, the plate, for me, all the elements are on there.
It looks appetizing. I'm keen to have a go at that.
Okay, guys, let's taste.
cooked the duck really well. It's slightly under-seasoned in terms of salt. You can pick up some of the spices that's on there. The orange segments were quite big, and it changed the flavor of the dish completely.
Reuben, so on appearance, your plate looked close to Chef Reuben's plate. But however, your sauce didn't have, firstly, the color that Chef Reuben had. And it didn't really give your onions enough time to caramelize and give it that deeper brown color. And also cook that with your spices to incorporate that in. As a result, it was just sweet.
You got the duck spot on, but it's a plate of elements, and the dish has to come together. Whether that's going to be enough remains to be seen. Thanks, Ndemiso.
Thank you.
I realized that I did put in too much oil. I should have started that process over again. Right now, I really feel like my chances are touch and go.